everybody, my name is Elena and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pineapple Rejuvelac, a refreshing probiotic drink with enzymes. I'm not adding any sugar and I think you'll find this drink really refreshing. So the first thing we're going to do is cut the pineapple. And I'm going to first start by slicing off the bottom. I'm going to keep the head on. This allows me to grip the pineapple as I slice. And I'm just slicing off all of the rinds here, which we will be using in the pineapple Rejuvelac. We are not using the pineapple meat, although you can. However, the version we're doing today is not using the meat. We're just using the rind and the core of the pineapple today. So as you can see, I've sliced off all of the pineapple skin. And finally, I'm actually going to put the rinds in this bowl here because, like I said, we will be using the rinds. And now I'm going to slice off this piece on top. So again, I'm just using the core of the pineapple today. So we're slicing off all of the meat. And you could use this meat for smoothies, enjoy a nice refreshing bowl of fruit, whatever you want to do. All right, so again, we are using the rind and the core, which I'm going to place in this gallon glass jar pitcher. I'm going to move this out of the way because, again, we're not using the meat. So I'm going to place the rinds in. So no sugar, nothing else gets added except for 1 gallon of water, of filtered water. I'm going to pour this into the gallon glass jar. Okay, it's all filled up. And finally, I'm going to cover this with a seed bag. Other things that you can use include a cheesecloth. You can use a towel secured with a rubber band. Anything that is breathable that will allow air to come in and keep critters out, because fruit flies love fermented fruit beverages. So that is pretty much it. The next thing you're going to do is just let it sit for the next 48 hours at a temperature between 68 and 80 degrees. Temperature is very important. If it is too cold, it will not ferment. If it is too warm, it will ferment very quickly. So you have to keep a closer eye on it. So over the next few days, it is going to have a layer of foam on the top. You'll see that by tomorrow. That is nothing to worry about. That is this lactic acid building up, creating good bacteria, and then in a few days it will be ready. All right, 48 hours has went by. Let's take a look at our pineapple Rejuvelac and see how it came out. All right, I see a nice thin layer of foam at the top. There's bubbles. That is a good sign of fermentation. So we are going to drain the liquid out, and we're going to start by taking out these big chunks of the rind. If you remember, we put the rind and the core in. So removing all of the rind, all of the big pieces. And now I'm going to take out the core. And it smells really good, not too strong, not overly fermented, just right. As you can see, it is a cloudy beverage. That is perfectly normal. That's actually what you want. Now I'm going to bring our 2-gallon container over here, although you can use a pitcher or 1 gallon, whatever you have available. And I have my strainer here. I'm just going to pour this through the strainer to get out any chunks or pineapple pieces left behind. All right, our Rejuvelac is done. It's ready to go into the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for up to 1 week in the refrigerator. You do not want to let it to continue sitting out in room temperature, because then it will continue to ferment, and we don't want that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and enjoy your pineapple Rejuvelac. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Now let's have a drink and see how it came out. Wow, nothing better on a hot summer day than pineapple Rejuvelac, the perfect refreshing beverage, no sugar added, and filled with good bacteria.